Yesterday, when I was young, the taste of life was sweet, like rain upon my tongue. I teased at life as if it were a foolish game, the way an evening breeze would tease a candle flame. The thousand dreams I dreamed, the splendid things I planned, I always built to last on weak and shifting sand. I lived by night and shunned the naked light of day, and only now I see how the years have run away. Yesterday, when I was young, there were so many songs that waited to be sung, so many wild pleasures that lay in store for me, and so much pain my dazzled eyes refused to see. I ran so fast that time, and the youth at last ran out, and I never stopped to think what life was all about. And every conversation that I can recall concerned itself with me and nothing else at all. Yesterday, the moon was blue, and every crazy day brought something new to do, and I used my magic age as if it were a wand, and never saw the waste and emptiness beyond. The game of love I played with arrogance and pride, and every flame I lit so quickly died. The friends I made all seemed somehow to drift away, and only I am left on stage to end the play. Yesterday, when I was young, there were so many songs that waited to be sung, so many wild pleasures lay in store for me, and so much pain my dazzled eyes refuse to see. There are so many songs in me that won't be sung, 'cause I feel the bitter taste of tears upon my tongue, and the time has come for me to pay for yesterday when I was young. Yesterday, when I was young, there were so many songs that waited to be sung, so many wild pleasures lay in store for me, and so much pain my dazzled eyes refuse to see. Yesterday,
The hardest thing I've ever done is keep believing there's someone in this crazy world for me. The way that people come and go through temporary lives, my chance could come and I might never know. I used to say no promises, let's keep it simple. But freedom only helps you say goodbye. It took a while for me to learn that nothing comes for free. The price I've paid is high enough for me. Pockets full of good intentions, but none of them will comfort me tonight. I'm wide awake at 4 a.m. without a friend inside. I'm hanging on a hook, but I'm alright. I know I need to be to think that's what I'll find.
Ito po 10 years ago ang hinilingan ko siya ng biyaya. Ito po ay natupad din po ang pangarap ko dito sa Pilipinas. Ngayon po ay may pangalan na to. Ayan, maganda na. Ayan, oh. Ayan, meron naglagay, oh. Kaya, yung mga nagdo-donate, hayaan nyo lang sila. Kamukha ko, magdo-donate tayo. Hayaan nyo lang kami. Dahil yan po ay inyuutos ng ating Panginoon. Salamat po, mahal na Panginoon, na pinagkaloob niyo sa akin ng biyaya ako na nagkaroon ako ng 300 acres estates na nagkakahalaga ng $300 million. Sana po ay salamat po sa mga tulong sa akin, sapagkat yan po ay himala na isang Pilipino nagkaroon ng konting hanap buhay at konting pagkakakitaan sa Amerika na napakalaking halaga. Sana po ay bigyan niyo po ako ng magandang biyaya pa, mahal na Panginoon. At babalik po uli ako dito at meron pa po ako i-donate pagka natupad po ay aking pangarap, at kung may bibili po ng ating kaprasang lupa ay tutulong po uli ako dito sa simbahan. Maraming salamat po sa pinagkaloob niyo sa aking biyaya. Salamat po. Thanks God. Amen. YouTube. Ito mamaya na. Ayan. Ito si Beto. Ito minamaneho ni Beto nung araw. Ayan, ito. Okay lang yun.
Ano ba yun? Nagkakalesa?
Oo, kalesa siya nung araw. Numalita ko.
Sa pulo?
Oo, sa pulo siya kauna na may kartela sa pulo. Si Beto.
Anong kapela ng araw?
Ito, nimigay niya kartela. Ganito siya kauna nakapagpundar nito.
Sa pulo
Oo, sa pulo. Sa bahay maasin niya.
Brought to you by the Giant Lantern Festival Foundation Incorporated, Robinson Star Mills, and from the home of the Giant Lanterns, the city government of
Ito sa future. Ito lang yan. Yan. Wala ka na makikita. Wala ka na makikita ang kartela. Ito si Beto. Ito minamaneho ni Beto nung araw. Ayan, ito. Okay lang yun.
Ano ba yun? Nagkakalesa?
Oo, kalesa siya nung araw. Numalita ko.
Sa pulo?
Oo, sa pulo siya kauna na may kartela sa pulo. Si Beto.
Anong kapela ng araw?
Ito, nimigay niya kartela. Ganito siya kauna nakapagpundar nito.
Sa pulo
Oo, sa pulo. Sa bahay maasin niya. Yan, iba naman itong kalesa naman tayo ngayon. Kalesa. Kaya mo yan, galing. Kalesa.
Ano ba nag-sample ng araw? Kulang tayo mag-sample. No. Salute, frontliners! Rise and salute, frontliners!
December 25, 2021. Welcome to San Fernando. Itong mga nakikita nyo ay kitang-kita nyo natural na live to. Live. Tinetape lang natin. Maganda po. Maganda. Nakakatuwa. Gustuhan nyo po ito. napakaganda ginagawa yan. Galing. Today is on Christmas Day, December 25, 2021. Nandito po kami sa San Fernando, Pampanga, Lantern Festival. Pagandahan ng parol to. Palakihan pa. Maganda oh. Punta kayo dito para makita nyo ito. Ang galing yan. Parol yan ha, parol oh.